Chaturbhuj Temple, dedicated to Vishnu, is situated at Orchha in Madhya Pradesh, India. This temple is located in the Orchha town, just outside the limits of the Orchha fort complex, to the south of the Rama Raja temple. The name Chaturbhuj is a combination of Chatur meaning four and Bhuj meaning arms, which literally translates to one who has four arms and refers to Rama, an avatar of Vishnu. The temple was built after the Queen had a dream visitation by Lord Rama directing her to build a temple for him. The Queen went to Ayodhya to obtain the image of Rama. Initially, she kept the idol in her palace, called Rani Mahal, as the Chaturbhuj Temple was still under construction. When she came back, she was unaware of an injunction that the image to be deified in a temple could not be kept in a palace. Hence, instead of the Chaturbhuj Temple, the Rama's idol remained in the palace, whereas the Chaturbhuj Temple remained without an idol in its sanctum.